I think I'd like to start with the fact that I'm so glad that I arranged this workshop. I don't mind waiting, but if someone has to come to our school for clarifying CUET doubts and all, it has to be Dr. Vikas Vijay. And I'm so glad that I did that. So, on behalf of Bharti Public School, Noida, a heartfelt thanks, sir, that you could take out time from your busy schedule and enlighten our students. A big round of applause for sir. I think he deserves every bit of it. And for the commerce students, I don't think we are going to, bid adieu to sir so soon. We're going to have another session, like I told you all. So that's going to be a 2-hour session. And trust me, even at the end of those 2 hours, you'll be like, they'll mange more, So thank you so much, sir. I think it's you are more like a part of Bal Bharati Parivar. So it'll be a great honor to have you over here time and time and time again. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, ma'am. And thank you, ma'am. And every time I've come, मैम ने कहा ना दिल मांगे मोर, मुझे भी लगता है कि अब एक सेशन और होना चाहिए, एक सेशन और होना चाहिए.